Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, I have a quick and fun leg workout that requires no equipment and can be done anywhere. Let's get flexy and strong. Okay, let's start out with slow squats to kneel.
Sun is rising, here we are. I didn't think we'd come this far. I just feel it. This is truly where I belong.
Switching to high knee double.
Ocean Drive. Hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it. Yeah, they feel the way that I do right now. Lost in Miami and we were too drunk, but it was only you and I. Only you and I.
Okay, get ready for frog jump.
We were reckless and free, just you and me. So take me back to South Beach. We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then, under the palm tree. It was only you and me, getting drunk on Hennessy.
Okay, get ready for curtsy lunges with a kick. Lunge double pulse with a switch jump. Get ready, here it comes.
Broken bottles on the floor. We were still drunk from the night before. We didn't care if there was snow tomorrow. And under the Florida sunset we danced, and it was only you and I. Only you and I.
Next, reach for ceiling high knees.
We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then, under the palm tree.
Good job, keep it up.
It was only you and me, getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then.
And kick jump.
Miami nights.
Get ready for side lunges. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. Squat pulse with a jump. Good job. Nice work. Hey, thanks for working out with me. Let me know in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10 how hard that workout was for you. And make sure to subscribe to see new workout videos like this one every day. Bye.